I want to show you how I remove this Navy Federal account off a person's credit report just like this, so you can copy what I'm doing to knock the credit bureaus out so you can improve your credit score. Now, I'm gonna walk you through a two-step process to help increase your chances of getting multiple deletions. Now, this is just Navy Federal, but if you have Capital One, Bank of America, or any other negative account on your report, it works for this as well. I'm gonna walk you through the whole entire process. So let's get into it. So as you can see right here, right, we got this account removed off of Experian, right, deleted. So this $3,000 charge off, we got this removed off this person's credit report, right? And of course, we're still disputing to get it off of TransUnion, all right? And then Equifax, but it's reporting a little bit different. As you can see, it's in a different column. Experian's gone, as you can see, but now let me show you the other account that I was talking about as well, that we removed as well. Share this in tab. So right here, we got this account removed as well, another Navy Federal account off our client's credit report, right? And we got other things removed, but some people have Navy Federal, try to do the Navy Federal play, or whatever the case may be, and got some charge off, mess things up, life happened, whatever the case may be. Even though life happened, according to the law, and I'm not a lawyer, the Fair Credit Reporting Act still has to show, the Fair Credit Reporting Act says that Experian, TransUnion, Equifax still has to maintain maximum possible accuracy when it comes to your report, right? So that's the reason why you can get accounts removed even though you owe the money without waiting 7 years. So as you can see, we leverage the details that's within the specific account to help to remove the remove the account off the client's report. And we got it removed off for Equifax and Experian, still waiting on TransUnion to get it off on this one. But let me go over the specific letter that we use to get this account, right? So as you can see, we leverage a combination of Metro 2 with the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Now, hold up. Know what you're thinking. How can you create a letter like this? Don't worry. I got you, all right? I got you. I'm going to basically break down on how to create a letter just like this with the Metro 2 codes and everything, right? So just bear with me. I'm just going over everything that I've done, right? So as you can see, the account, the codes, the inaccuracies, right? And what I said was, as you can see right here, this account is not showing maximum possible accuracy according to 15 USC 1681 EB. The open date last active is not accurate. Deleted account immediately for violation of 15 USC 1681 EB. So this is the template I used to, the letter I created to get this specific account and the other Navy Federal account off this client's credit report, right? Now, when it comes to like disputing, nothing's 100% guaranteed. If you don't do nothing, you're gonna miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So my overall process is, hey, let's be be aggressive, and also leverage the laws and also leverage their compliance that they're supposed to uphold to according to their codes, right? So as you can see, this is the thing that we use. Now we got the accounts removed, right? But I know what you're thinking. If you send this letter in certified to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and accounts come back updated, what do you do next? I got you. I'm gonna basically break down what you should do next if your accounts come back verified, all right? Or if the accounts that you send or the letter that you send comes back verified, what you can do next, since you have documentation, since you have proof showing that, hey, this is inaccurate, this is inaccurate. I'm gonna show you what to do next. So let me basically break it down. So here's the process you're gonna use next, right? We're gonna basically use CFPB. Now, when it comes to the CFPB, it's not 100% guarantee as well, all right? But like I said earlier, you miss 100% of shots you don't take. So we might as well just leverage what we have to our disposal to knock the credit bureaus out. And if you're new to the channel, hey, welcome. If you've been subscribed, I appreciate you for continue rocking out with me, all right? So let's get into the process of submitting this complaint to help you remove this account off your report without waiting 7 years, all right? So first things first, what you wanna do is create an account with the CFPB, right? Create an account with the CFPB. Then from there, what you wanna do is go to credit reporting, then scroll all, almost forgot. Credit reporting again, and then from there, what you wanna do is just click on next, all right? And then basically it's gonna break down what are you complaining about, right? So what describes your problem? So problem with company's investigation into an existing problem, investigation to more than 30 days. If it did take more than 30 days, you can leverage this, right? But the one we're going to leverage right now is their investigation did not fix an error on your report. And you can look over the other things. I can do a tutorial of like other things you can talk about that, hey, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax didn't do, right? So have you already tried to fix this problem? Yes. Did you request information from the company? Yes. What information did you request before? This is very important, right? I sent the letter to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax to investigate these accounts. And then did the company provide you with the information? Either yes or no. No, right? So now what we want to do is next, right? And then from there, we're going to break down like who, what, when, how, everything that happened with you, right? So you sent the letter, let's just say to Experian on XY day. Hey, I sent the letter showing that, hey, this account is inaccurate. It's not showing maximum possible accuracy according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This is off. This is incorrect. This is a violation of the law. And then from there, you can certify if you want to. And then what you want to do is, what will be a fair resolution? Delete account for a violation of 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB, 15 U.S.C. 1681 I, S-2, and all the other stuff, right? And then from there, what you want to do, which is going to be very important, is attaching the evidence that you did, right? So you're going to attach the letter that you sent, right? So forgot to say this earlier, just make a copy of, or take a picture of the letter that you sent when you sent your letter in. All right, so keep copies of everything, and then select file, upload a document, right? And then once you upload a document, here's what you're going to do next. So the company's name, who you're going to be complaining with, right? So you're going to look up Experian, all right? So you only want to create one separate complaint. Here's why. The creditors don't report the accounts to all three credit bureaus. So you don't want to be talking about a specific account that's only pertaining to just Experian, right? Or you have one account that's pertaining to Experian and not pertaining to like Experian, TransUnion, but not pertaining to Equifax, and vice versa. So all you want to do is just complain to one company and then go back and create another complaint, and then do one for TransUnion, and then go back and do another complaint and do one for Equifax, right? So company's name, you're gonna put Experian, you're gonna look up Experian Information Solutions or something like that. Check on this, and check on this, right? And then put that information in, right? And do you wanna complain with another company? Like I said before, no, click on next, and here's what you're gonna do next after that. So after you click on next, you're gonna review everything, make sure everything is good to go, and then from there, you're gonna do is click submit. Now here's what's gonna happen next. You're gonna click on submit, and then Experian, TransUnion, Equifax have 15 days to respond back to the CFPB, right? And usually what they ask is for additional time, 60 days. Hold on. They usually don't take 60 days to respond back. So just continue checking your portal, right? Usually be within the 30-day time period of doing an investigation. So now after that's submitted, right, usually you'll get multiple deletions. Now, how do you create that specific letter that I talked about earlier? I want to basically show you this video to break down the whole entire process, step by step on how to create that letter. And I'll see you right here. And I'm going to break down the whole entire process.